Thanks for watching another Black Swan Outdoors episode. Tonight we're doing a little product review on the Field and Stream meat grinder. We're dealing with the electric grinder number 8, 400 watt heavy duty motor. Grinds up to 3 pounds, it says, per minute. We're going to give it a whirl tonight on a nice young doe that we got last night. I've done a little bit chunking so far. Made nice real small pieces for this grinder. Made sure I didn't have any silver skin or ligaments that was going to be going through here. Alright, well, let's give her a couple of whirls of meat and see how she does. Seems to be taking the meat here pretty well right now. Getting some really nice fine cuts out of this. Grounding it up pretty nice. Well, for the $90 machine, and after discounts, we got it for $60 for a 400 watt electric Field and Stream meat grinder. She did pretty good, I gotta say. Cut the meat very nicely, ground it up perfect. Now we're gonna add in our pork fat, get this baby all set up, and have some nice venison ground for the winter. Well, thanks again, everybody, for watching another Black Swan Outdoors product review. We're glad that you could take your time and your energy to watch our product review. Another great item we think from Field and Stream and Dick's Sporting Goods. Thank you. Have a great night.